Oh yeah, nothing like one of those Louisiana storms that freaking drop the temperature down in about 20 degrees in 10 minutes. I actually had to wait to come out here because the wind was blowing so hard that just couldn't do it, man. It was too wet. So just enjoy a little bit of that lightning. Let's see a little bit of that thunder. Let's see how that shit looks on this video. The first storm video. And I didn't even have to chase it. I'd like to see a lightning bolt, please. It's just not that kind of storm though. Or is it? Be able to see in a little bit. So today was 100 degrees, and as I stand here, oh, it's about 70 or something like that. Finally cooled down some. Thank you so very much. Hey, seek and ye shall find. I also lit a candle because power can go out. Dang, boy. Alright, we'll cut it at that.